Hey everyone, today's April 15th. My name is Ree, and today I'm in the greenhouse and I want to talk to you about growing in grow bags. So last year we got these at the dollar store for $4, but this year, with the lovely inflation, they're $5, which is still a pretty good deal. And these grow bags that I have here, well, I have a couple kind, but these ones, they're 24 inches wide by 8 inches deep. They're 15 gallons. That's a pretty decent size. Made of strong porous material, offers excellent drainage, keeps plant warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, and folds flat for storage. So in these grow bags, we've grown everything from vegetables, bulbs, cut flowers, like annuals. We really love them. They're easy to move. That's the best thing because I'm constantly switching things around. I'm just going to turn you around and I'll show you what we've got planted. And these are the grow bags, obviously. So we've got kale. There's the lettuce. It's taken a little bit of a time. And this one's really doing well. That one's catching up in the corner. We have spinach. And this one is empty. I haven't figured out quite yet what I'm putting in there. And over here on the end we have romaine. Sorry about the cars, guys. I know they're loud. So I'll take you over and I'll show you the daffodils. We've been waiting for this all winter. They're beautiful. And see, they're in grow bags. We weren't sure exactly if the bulbs, how they'd grow, but as you can see, you get a little bit of moss on the outside because these are a year old, but it doesn't affect it at all. They're doing great. And this way when they're done, we can pull them up and reuse the bags for something else. It's usually with tulips. You treat it as like an annual when you grow them for cut flowers. We will save the bulbs. I'm not sure. We're not sure if they'll grow again, but we'll still plant them if they look okay. The allium, I think it got a little too warm in here. That's something else. We have to make sure that we always come out, open the windows, get the breeze going in here. In here we have little baby strawberries. In there. Larkspur. Some status that doesn't look overly happy. Some spinach. A little Christmas tree thingy. We have sunflowers here. These are started from bird seed. My mother, she wanted to try to see if it would work, and they're going to have to be separated. More romaine. They're tomatoes. Basil. And this here is a cinnamon basil. Lemon basil. There's 6 kind of tomatoes. And the label's covered up. There's Brandywine, San Marzano, Tiny Tim. I can't remember the 3 others. Beefsteak. This is a flat of status. This status looks amazing. I can't wait to get it out. Our onions they're ready to go. They were ready last week, but we're still waiting for the garden. Here's some Lysianthus. We started these from seed. They take a really long time. These were started December 25th. And that's how big they are. Or small. However you look at it. Over here. The carrots. Carrots, they're really growing. My lupins are coming. And snapdragons that I just potted them up, or just put them in here. The grow bags, in my opinion, they really come in handy. They're easy to move if you don't have a whole lot of growing space. I don't know about on a balcony. You probably could. Just don't overwater it so it doesn't fall down. Well, someone's out on their bike. Beautiful day. I'll just show you quick over here. An example. This is yarrow from last year. It's a perennial that came back. Something's been digging in there, but other than that, this stuff's coming back great. Over here, irises. We transplanted them from the garden to here, so we'd have more space last year, and these are coming back. It's another plus for the bag, the grow bag. And in the front here, on the step, we planted. I just did these yesterday. More lettuce. And I can move them wherever I want them. And that is pampas grass from last year. Doesn't seem any signs of life just yet. So if you've been curious about it, grow bags, whether they're good or not, I say yes. So I encourage you to give them a try. They're affordable, they're movable. I think they're just great. Well, thanks everyone for coming along. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you on the next one.